And so this here is a skimmer sock, and you can see how much filth and nastiness the previous one picked up. Sure, some of the larger stuff would have gone just stayed in the basket, but it really probably helps keep my filter cleaner, so I don't have to backwash the filter nearly as often. And I mean, look at all that filth that would have all been in my sand filter, and in general that would have taken a long time and probably a lot of water to get all that filth out of my sand filter. So you can just beat the stuff out of these and reuse them, but this one is really nasty. So what I do is I chuck them over my fence into my neighbor's yard. Just kidding, that's my driveway. But again, a 50 pack of skimmer socks, you can rinse them out and reuse them, and I probably only used 10 all last year, but this year I just figured, you know what, no count them, I'm going to go ahead and use the new ones. I just left the bag outside, and now it does appear that with the last rain they got a little wet. I'm not sure, I guess the bag wasn't totally upside down, so I'm just going to let them sit out in the sun tomorrow. But change the skimmer sock once a day, maybe. It's probably been 5 days since I changed it, but I was just firing things up to try and clean the top of the pool before I put the cover back on for the night. Give it a chance to try and skim the stuff off the top of the water. So skimmer socks, I highly recommend them. I think I'd like to get one for my net, because I think that when I use the net, I think a lot of the stuff, just little tiny stuff, goes right through the net. So anyway, they do sell them for the for those things too, but for the well, you can't see it in the dark, but there's a cleaner net, you know, a skimmer net, and you can put one of those socks on there, but they're a different kind of one, and I'm thinking about getting some for that, because the little bits and little fine black dots just seem to go right through the this net. And the same thing with the last one I had. This one's a double layer, but I think that just makes it stronger, not necessarily any more filtering.